Hi guys, I'm here with this guy, Andy Highgate, our Director of Operations at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. I hear you have a big announcement for us all.
Well, I'm very pleased to announce that the big one will be reopening this coming Saturday.
You heard it here first, this Saturday. So Andy, can you tell us a bit about why it's been closed and what we've been doing to it?
So over the last 3 winters, we've been doing quite a bit of maintenance work to basically protect the longevity of the ride. And what that's involved is replacing some of the track. So over the winter just gone, we've replaced 104 meters of track, which ultimately will result in a much smoother ride experience for guests.
You speak as if you know that it's going to be much smoother, Andy. Are you excited about it?
Well, we've currently been doing lots of training and lots of testing, and I have had a sneaky peek on the ride, and I can report that it's running very, very well.
So you heard it here first. The big one opens this Saturday at Blackpool Pleasure Beach.